Hello children, pleasant morning to you all. See today we are going to move to block 3, LP3, new lesson. This is okay. This is about I can take care and things I like to do. What I can take care of myself to clean and eat and not get diseases. Next is things I like to do. What kind of things I like to do? This is the lesson. Personal care and recognize and respond the feelings. Okay, what personal care means? Every day, what time you will get up? Morning you will get up, no? And get up after getting up, what you have to do? Last class step I told you have to brush your teeth nicely. Circle, take a toothbrush, put a toothpaste on that, and you have to brush your teeth neatly. You have to brush your teeth yourself. You should not tell your mama or daddy, mommy, come, please brush and give my teeth. You are grown up now, you are coming to school, so what do you have to do? You have to personally, you have to take care of yourself. You have to brush your teeth, you have to pray to God. Taking bath, you can call your mama because you are small kids, no? You can call your mama, mama, please come, I want to take a bath. Say, take a help from your mama and you can take bath every day. After taking bath, what do you have to do? You have to wear your dress. You have to wear your dress to and get ready to come to school. That is a personal care you have to do it. Then what you have to do means things I like to do. Well, sometimes you'll be happy, sometimes you'll become sad, sometimes you'll be angry. So what you have to do means you have to take a mirror. Do you all have a mirror at home, no children? If you are not having small mirror, you can use the big mirror also. It will be on the cupboard, no? That mirror also you can use. You can hold the mirror like this and you have to see your face like this. Happy. You have to see. Happy. Come on. See, like this happy face. You have to show. Yeah. Then angry. Then sad. All the faces you have to stand in front of the mirror and you have to face on to the mirror and you have to do the action. Okay, if you do the action, you can come to know if your happy face how it will be, sad face how it will be, angry face how it will be, then scared face how it will be. You can make out. If you are become happy, then everything will be good. Okay, if you have become angry, if your mommy is telling to do some work, go mama, I won't do. Don't do it like that. Yeah, happily you should say, okay, mama, I will help you. Ah, okay, I love you, mama. Like that, you have to tell your mama. So your mommy will become very happy. Your daddy will become very happy. Your granny will become very happy. Your grandfather become very happy. What you have to do? You have to take a mirror and stand in front of the mirror and see your face to the mirror and you have to speak. You have to show your what is that feelings in front of the mirror. Then you can come to know which feelings is good for you. Okay, children? Then now next you have to follow the rules and routine for the next. What are the rules? First rule is wait for your turn. Next is share your things. Say what you have to do. First wait for your turn. When your turn comes, then only you have to take your things. What after that what you should know? You should not keep the things with you. If the toys is like this, what is this? 1 minute, I'll show you the Toto, our class friend. Here, so our class friend is here, no? After taking the Toto test, the class friend name is Sim Sim. Okay, now we will keep new name for this. Sim Sim. Sim Sim, our class friend. After taking this, after seeing this, you have to share this to your friend. You should not keep it with you. That is the sharing. Okay, then wait for your turn. Till your turn comes, you have to wait. You should not pull from your friend. You should not push your friend. You should not pinch your friend. Okay, children? Now you got it. What you have to do? Very good. Next, well, I will use the I appropriately. I will do homework. I will share your things. I like reading. What you have to say? I like reading. Then what do you have to do? I like playing. I like playing. I like playing. Very good. Next, what do you have to do? I like dancing. I like to dance. You like to dance, no children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You like to dance?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
you like to dance. So what do you have to do? You have to say, I like reading. I like dancing. I like singing. I like jumping. I like clapping. I like snapping. I like wiggling. Like that you have to do. In that, what you have to do? Do you like to read, children? Do you like to read?
Yes,
do you know how to
ma'am.
read? No.
Yes,
Don't know how
ma'am.
to read? No. What you have to do? You have to take a book and hold the book like this and open the book right to left and see the picture. Do you know? You have small kids, children. You don't know to read, no? So what you have to do? You have to see the picture. Oh, what is this?
Apple, ma'am.
Yeah. What is this?
Banana, ma'am.
Yes, like this you have to see the picture and enjoy yourself. Okay, you don't know to read, no? So see here like this. Open the book from right to left like this. See the picture. What is the color of the picture? Is this red color, cherry? See here, this is yellow color. If you don't know the color, you have to ask Mama. Mama, what is the color of this? Then Mama will teach you. This is the color of. You don't know, Ma, baby? Okay, I will tell. Like that, she will say, and this is the pink color. This is the green color. Your Mama will explain you. Okay. This is the watermelon, Mama. What is the color of it? Oh, don't know, baby? You don't know the color of this? This is the color of green color. Mama will teach you. If you come to know what is the color of this, Mama, Mama will help you. Oh, this is orange color. Oh, what is the color of this? You have to ask your Mama. If otherwise, I will next class. I will teach you the colors. Okay, children. Okay. Now, what you have to do? Take a book. Here, take this book. Exceed book, volume 1, nursery, early program. Take the book and open the page S to the letter A. What you have to do this, I will tell you. Take this crayon and what you have to do, circle the letter A. Is this letter A? Is this the letter A, children?
No, ma'am.
This one?
No, ma'am.
This one?
No, ma'am.
Is this the letter A?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to circle for this. Okay, children? Only one time you have to do the circle. Circle the things that begin with letter A. Next is circle the circle the letter that begin with letter A. Okay. A for apple. You have to circle it. A for A for animals. So this is also you have to circle it. A for sun. Is this correct?
No, ma'am.
This is sun. Okay, this is not a. So you should not circle it. A for an axe. Whether you have to circle it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to circle it. Okay. Then what you have to do? I will tell you. Appropriately, you have to read the things. Finger. Paint the things that you like to do. Use the word I. See, I am reading. I am coloring. I am cycling. See, turn the page. I am running. I am sliding. See here. I am running. I am sliding. What you have to do? See, take the page. Yes, 5 things I like to do. What you have to read this. What she is doing. What she is doing. See finger. See, this is things I like to do. Page number is 15. Page number 15 and 16. Next page also you have to turn and see. See here, both the pages, the pictures are there. So you have to hold the book like this and say what she is doing. She is reading. What is doing?
Painting, ma'am.
Very good. He is painting. What is doing?
Cycling, ma'am.
Do you all like to cycle, children? Do you all do cycling?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you all like to do cycling?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What she is doing? What these children are doing?
Running,
They are
ma'am.
running. Yeah, they are running. What this girl is doing?
Sliding, ma'am.
Yeah, she's sliding. Do you all like to slide, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to read these pages. Okay. Then I will next. What is this mean? Short, big, and small things. Okay. Now I keep things here and you have to sort it out. Okay. Which is big, which is small. You have to see this. See here. First I will show you big ball and small ball. Okay. See this one. Big book, small book. Okay. Big circle. This is small circle. Okay. This also small circle. See here, small circle. This is big square and this is small square. Okay, I will show you how to sort out the things. See, big ones you have to keep it aside. This side you have to keep big things. This is a big circle. Small circle you have to keep it next side. Okay. Big book you have to keep it here. Is this big or small? Small.
Small,
So you have to
ma'am.
keep it this side. Okay. See here, big square. Okay. You have to keep it this side. Small square. You have to keep it this side. Big ball this side. Small ball. You have to sort the things. See here, big square. Here, small square this side. Small circle. You have to keep it this side. Okay. Small book. Big flower this side. Small flower next side. Like this, you have to sort and practice this. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what is this? Tinku the hot cake story. I am going to read you. Okay, you have to listen carefully. Tinku the hot cake. The story name is Tinku the hot cake. The story name is Tinku and the hot cake. See, Tinku hears something. He tries to listen with his ears. Ha! I think Mummy is baking a cake. Tinku can hear sounds from the kitchen. The sound of a spoon mixing, the oven door opening and then being closed. Okay, turn the page next. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Is sniffing here? What is doing? Ah, what a yummy smell. He can smell that the cake is ready. He's smelling that the cake is ready. Tinku walks to the kitchen. He can see the cake on the top of the kitchen table. He rubs his tummy. What he's doing is rubbing his tummy and want to eat the cake now. Turn the page. He stands tall on his feet. See, he's standing tall on his feet and looks at the cake. He's seeing the cake. Wow! Tinku thinks the cake looks and smells even better. He touches it with his hand and then he cries out of pain. He touching and what he's doing? He's crying. Why? See, the cake is hot. In a minute, his mummy comes running into the kitchen. Oh, Tinku, the cake pan is still hot and you have hurt your hand now. She puts on a pair of gloves. She's putting a pair of gloves, take the cake out of the hot pan and puts it on a plate. Then she cuts a piece for Tinku. When it's cool, she gives it to him. Tinku eats it up in 1 second. Yum! He says happily, licking his lip. That was so tasty. Okay, children, did you all listen to this story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the story about Tinku and the hot cake? What happened? What is the name of the boy in the story?
Tinku, ma'am.
Yeah, his name is Tinku. What he wanted to eat?
Cake,
He
ma'am.
wanted to eat a cake. How did he come to know that cake was being baked? By sniffing. Ah, by sniffing, he's thinking, oh, the cake is baked. Who was baking the cake, children?
Mama, ma'am.
Yeah, Mama is baking a cake. Tinku's mommy was baking a cake. Who is this in this picture? See, I will show you the picture. Who is she? She's
Mama.
a
Tinku's
Tinku's
mama.
mommy. Yeah. Do your mommy know?
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
this, Tinku was having mommy. Mommy is baking a cake. He is sniffing and see her, what he is doing? He is sniffing and seeing the cake was baked. Then he wanted to eat the cake urgently. He was touch the cake. It is very hot. Then what happened? He was crying. Then why your mummy is telling, oh mom, don't touch. Why you think, oh, you touch the cake? It is very hot, no? So you should not touch the cake. Mummy is wearing gloves and taking the cake and keeping aside to get it cool. Afterwards, mummy is cutting and giving the cake to the Tinku. Tinku was eating. The cake was very yummy. Okay, do you all enjoy this story, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy learning. Bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.